Lexus is about to finally reshape their lineup with loads of new products like the next generation. What is this new LQ, you may ask? Well, this new sports SUV will be based on the same platform as the LC and LS, meaning rear-wheel drive and longitudinal engines. The new LQ SUV will also spawn a new LQF variant, costing over $100,000 and will take on the likes of the X6M competition, Lamborghini Urus, and others. The all-new Lexus LQ will be styled on the striking LF1 Limitless concept, with those unique rear-wheel drive proportions reminiscent of the now dead Infiniti FX35, also known as the QX70. The production LQ will get a 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6 making 425 horsepower in the base models, along with hybrid variants, but we all know everyone wants more power. So the hot LQF models will get that all-new Lexus 4-liter twin-turbo V8 from the upcoming LCF and LSF, with a crazy 650 to 660 horsepower. Other details are scarce for now, so stay tuned for updates. So what else can I tell you about this new Lexus Super SUV? Well, Lexus is set to use their newer touchscreen infotainment systems, replacing the well-hated mousepad-based system, along with the brand's usual striking interior design. The beast is rumored to be coming next year as a 2022 model, along with the reveal of the new LCF. Again, pricing is set to start around $100,000 and $150,000 for the F version, while base models should be around $80,000.